Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to work your front and rear windshield defrost. So while the vehicle's on, these are going to be your controls down here. This would be for your front, and with the max option as well, and then your rear defrost. So let's say we want to turn the front on. This is all controlled by your fans now for the front, and then you click them again to turn them off. So if this front one's on, you can adjust this by changing your fan speed down or up, and you can adjust the temperatures with these as well. So if you want it on high, which is typically what you're trying to do, you'd want that. And then you might also turn the AC on while doing this, even if you're warming it up, just because if there's a lot of humidity, that AC can suck the moisture out, moisture out of the air. And then this rear one, it's actually controlled. If you can see in the camera, there's some black lines running through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So while the rear defrost is on, it activates those heating mechanisms, which will melt any ice that might be built up. And if you want any of these off, when the light's off, they should be off. And then this also turns the whole system off. If you're having issues with this, the first thing I would probably check is like your fuses. Maybe you have like a burnt fuse that might not working with this control panel very well. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.